We're now on the fun slide at the Big E in West Springfield.
Show me how to spin my hand. There we go.
So let's jump on. Let's go upstairs. That's the Ferris wheel to the right. Those kids like the fire chief house. And up there to the right is the mousetrap ride. That's the carousel. That to the left is that McDonald's giant slide. Going down. Attendant on the train. Got to wait until that green light needs to go. Here we go. Whee! Oh my God! Whoa! Oh shit! Oh! Alright. So that was the fun slide. So we'll have to exit here. Take it away. Close this gate. Alright. So that'll be all for the day.